Hi guys, my name is Jonathan Almi, and I'm gonna show you Msconfig and control panel. Msconfig, otherwise known as system configuration. 8 ways to start system configuration. First way, open the system configuration tools by using search. This is the system configuration. General tab, both tab, services tab, startup tab, tools tab. And this is a general tab. So now for startup, diagnostic startup, and selective startup. Both tab, Windows 10, current OS, default OS, and advanced option. Save both option. And you can select no GUI both and OS both information. And you are select minimal or select make all both setting permanent. And this is a timeout. Services tab. Services tab is a control running app. You can enable and disable. Startup tab. You can open Task Manager. Task Manager. This is a processes and performance. App history. Startup. Users, details, and services. And tools tab. Second way to start system configuration, open Msconfig with Windows Terminal. Right-click Start and select Windows Terminal. Click Open a new tab button and select the Windows PowerShell or Command Prompt. Third way is open Msconfig with Task Manager. Bring up Task Manager by right-clicking Start and selecting it on the WinX menu. Click the File menu in Task Manager. Select the Run New Task option. Type Msconfig within the open box there. 4 ways. Set up an Msconfig desktop, taskbar, or start menu shortcut. Right-click an area of your desktop wallpaper and select New shortcut on the context menu. Type Msconfig within the location. Select Next to proceed. Enter Msconfig and shortcut title text box. Click Finish to add the new Msconfig shortcut. 5 ways. Open Msconfig with Cortana. Click round Cortana circle icon on your taskbar. Type Msconfig with the Ask Cortana box. Then press the Enter key to launch system configuration. 6 ways. Set up an Msconfig keyboard shortcut. First, add the Msconfig shortcut to the desktop and cover in the 7th method. Right-click in the Msconfig shortcut on your desktop and select Properties to view the shortcut tab. Click inside the shortcut key box. Press M to establish a CTRL plus ALT plus MK key combo for the system configuration tool. Select Apply to save the new hotkey. Click OK to exit the shortcut properties window. 7 ways. Open Msconfig with Run. First, open the WinX menu by pressing the Win plus XK combination. Select Run on the menu to open window. Type Msconfig in the text box. Click OK to bring up system configuration window. 8 ways. Open Msconfig with the Windows search tool. Click the magnifying glass taskbar. Bring up a search box. Type the keyword Msconfig and search box to find system configuration. Click System Configuration and search result to open Msconfig, or click Run as administrator for system configuration on the right side of the search box. Control panel. System secure and security. Security and maintenance. Review your computer status and resolve issues. Change your user account control settings. Windows Defender Firewall. You can check firewall status. Allow on app through Windows Firewall. And system view amount of RAM and processor speed, and allow the remote access launch remote assistance. Power option. Change battery settings. Change what the power button do. Change when the computer sleeps. File history. Save backup copies of your files with the file history. Restore your files with file history. Backup and restore Windows 7. Backup the restore Windows 7. Restore files from backup. Store the space. Manage storage space. Which can manage work folders. Manage work folders. Administrative tools. Free up this space and view event logs and schedule tasks. And create and format this partition. Network and internet. Network and internet. Network and sharing center. Internet option. Network and sharing center. View network status and tasks. Connect to a network. View network computers and device. Internet option. Connect to the internet. Change your homepage. Manage browsers and add-ons. Hardware and sound. Hardware and sound, device and printers. Add a device, advanced printer, setup, and mouse, and device manager. And change Windows to Go startup option. Autoplay. Autoplay can change your device default settings for media or device. Sound. Adjust system volume and change system sound. Power option. Can change your battery settings, change what power buttons do, and change when computer sleeps. Windows Mobility Center. Adjust commonly used mobility settings. Programs and features. Uninstall programs, turn Windows features on or off. And view install updates. Default programs. Change default settings for media or device. Naturally user accounts. Change account type, credential manager. Manage web. Appearance and personalization. Taskbar and navigation. Ease of access center. Use a screen reader. Turn on easy access case. File Explorer option. Spreadly single or double. For fonts, previewed date or show. Clock and region. Date and time. Region and set the date and time. Set the time and date. Region can change your date and time or number formats. Ease of access. Ease of access center. Let Windows suggest settings. Option by visual display. Replace sound with visual one. Speech recognition. Start speech recognition. Hi guys, thank you for your watching. I hope you learn my tutorial.